In this video, we're diving into chapter Introduction to Java. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your basics, this quick guide will walk you through the essentials of Java programming. Programming is the art of instructing a computer to perform tasks using code. It allows us to automate processes, build software, analyze data, and much more. Java is a powerful, object-oriented programming language known for its platform independence. With the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, Java programs can run on any operating system. Write once, run anywhere. Java is object-oriented, secure, robust, and supports multithreading. Its large standard library and wide ecosystem make it perfect for everything from mobile apps to enterprise systems. Java was developed in the 1990s by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. From Java 1.0 in 1996 to today's modern versions like Java 17 and Java 21, it has evolved with features like lambdas, streams, and modules. To develop in Java, you need tools like the JDK, and IDEs such as IntelliJ or Eclipse, and build tools like Maven or Gradle. Version control using Git is also essential for collaboration. Let's look at your first Java program. The classic Hello World. Java copied it. Public class Hello World, public static void main, string, args, system.out.println, hello, simple, yet powerful. Java buzzwords like object-oriented, platform-independent, secure, and multi-threaded define its identity. These are more than just terms, they represent Java's core strengths. The JVM is the heart of Java. It loads classes, manages memory, handles exceptions, and enables multithreading. Its architecture includes the class loader, runtime areas, execution engine, and garbage collector. Java powers enterprise software, Android apps, financial systems, and even IoT devices. Its stability, performance, and strong community support keep it relevant in the modern tech world. That wraps up an introduction to Java. Ready to dive deeper? In our next chapter, we will explore data types, variables, and operators. Now we will explore data types, variables, typecasting, operators, control statements, input-output, and exception handling, everything a Java beginner needs to know. Java provides two types of data, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive types include byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. These store simple values like numbers or characters. Non-primitive types include classes, arrays, strings, and interfaces, used to reference complex objects. To declare a variable, specify its type and name. You can initialize it at the same time or later. Example, int age is equal to 25. Java supports arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, increment decrement, bitwise, and ternary operators. Expressions combine these operators with values to produce results. Example, int sum is equal to ab5, uses arithmetic and assignment. Java has 50 reserved keywords like class, public, static, void, if, else, and more. These cannot be used as variable names. Control statements direct program flow, use if, else if, and switch for decisions, and loops like for, while, and do while for repetition. Use break to exit loops or switch blocks early, and continue to skip the current loop iteration. Java uses the scanner class for console input and system. Out.println, for output, it also supports file I/O using buffered reader, file reader, buffered writer, and file writer for reading and writing text files. Java handles errors using exceptions. Checked exceptions like IO exception must be handled or declared. Unchecked exceptions like null pointer exception don't need to be declared. Use try-catch finally to handle exceptions gracefully. Use throw and throws for custom error handling. Some special features include the this keyword, which refers to the current object. And yes, Java also allows empty statements using just a semicolon, helpful in some loops or placeholders. Programming is how humans talk to computers. Think of it as giving step-by-step instructions to solve problems or automate tasks. From web development to AI, programming is at the heart of innovation. Java is a general-purpose, object-oriented language known for its simplicity, reliability, and cross-platform capabilities. With the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, you can write code once and run it anywhere. Java is powerful and flexible. It's object-oriented, secure, portable, multi-threaded, and dynamic. It handles memory management with garbage collection and supports large-scale enterprise applications. Developed by James Gosling in 1995, Java has seen major versions with enhanced performance and syntax. Java 8 introduced lambdas, while Java 17 and 21 bring modern capabilities with long-term support. You'll need the Java Development Kit, JDK, to start coding. Use IDEs like IntelliJ, Eclipse, or Versus Code. Tools like Maven and Gradle manage dependencies. And Git helps you collaborate with teams. Every coder's first step, Hello World. This simple program shows Java's structure, class declaration, main method, and output. Java is defined by buzzwords like object-oriented, platform-independent, and secure. These guide its design principles and have made Java a trusted language for over 2 decades. The Java Virtual Machine runs your compiled code. It includes components like the class loader, memory areas, execution engine, and garbage collector, which manage memory and performance. Java powers billions of devices. From Android apps and financial platforms to embedded systems and cloud services, Java is everywhere. Java has primitive types like int, float, char, and non-primitive types like string, arrays, and classes. Each type has a defined size and role. For example, an int holds whole numbers, while a double handles decimals. Variables are containers for data. You declare them using their type and a name. For example, int age is equal to 25. Variables can be local, static, final, or instance-based depending on scope. Implicit casting automatically converts smaller to larger types. Explicit casting is manual and used when narrowing types. For instance, int 7.8 converts a double to an int, dropping the decimal. Operators are symbols that perform actions on variables and values. Java supports arithmetic, logical, vertical bar, relational, is equal to, and more. Use these to build expressions like x is equal to ab2. Control statements like if-else and switch decide program flow. Loops like for, while, and do-while repeat tasks. Break exits loops early, continue skips to the next iteration. Use scanner for reading input from the console, and system.out.println for output. Java also handles file I/O using buffered reader and file writer for more advanced interactions. Exceptions help handle errors in Java. Checked exceptions must be handled, while unchecked exceptions may not crash the program. Use try, catch, and finally blocks to control what happens when things go wrong. Special concepts include the this keyword to reference the current object, and even empty statements used in minimal loop bodies. These tools help streamline your Java logic.